Hello everyone. Previous video I show you how to create Shopbase store, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up 1 month free subscription free trial. So you go to active plan here. It's just for 14 days. Okay, and after that you can see here is the option active plan. Save your coupon for the next charge coupon year. It's only for the 12 month. Okay, and what will be, I give you the coupon on the description. You just copy here and you just paste there, then apply it. Okay, you can see congratulations, you have received 100% off for 12 month of your next subscription. Thank you for choosing us. Here we choose the next 12 month for free subscription. Okay, so who are want to starting your business on shop based store, then you just selected this option and start your business. And hope you got this coupon code, and if you don't get